Hello, I'm the Parish Administrator, Ryan Currens, and I'm going to talk to you today about a little bit of work that we're doing here at the parish, even during the times of the pandemic. As you may notice, if you've happened to drive by the building this week or next week, we have a work crew out. That work crew is from Hall Skylights. Skylights, they run the entire length of the building, so there's a substantial amount of skylight space. We had a hailstorm on July 18th, and due to the angle of the hail and the angle of our various parts of our roof, only the skylights in the sanctuary were damaged from that hailstorm. Catholic Mutual, our insurer, was out shortly after the hailstorm and determined that indeed the skylights were damaged. They then paid for an engineering firm to come out and take a look to make sure that it was consistent with hail damage. And in the winter of last year, we were given the go-ahead to solicit bids. Then had the experts from our Building and Grounds Committee take a look at those bids. We then passed on to our Parish Finance Council for their approval, and through the usual proxy process with the Archdiocese, and lastly for approval through Catholic Mutual as our insurer. As this is so much skylight space, this was a special production run, and then due to COVID-19 concerns, the production was slowed. The production's now finished. The skylights are on site. We'd like to thank our expert parishioners from our Building and Grounds Committee, our Finance Council, our maintenance staff, and of course Catholic Mutual, our insurance company, for making all of this possible. Since this is a time of pandemic, we wanted to make sure that you had all of the facts of what was happening and to know what's going on with your church building. This was a project that was started on July 18th, 2019 and is being funded through our insurance carrier, Catholic Mutual. The work should be done sometime right before the end of April. Thank you very much, and God bless.